Man has genius way of changing light bulb, that's right out of the film Interstellar. How many people does it take to change a light bulb? Well, if you take one man's impressive method on board, none. Okay, that's not strictly true, but it at least doesn't involve anyone physically putting the light bulb in the socket. The futuristic, hands-free method comes from the TikTok account Insta360 Official, which shared footage of the technique in action and was met with high praise and comments such as, "This is the greatest TikTok ever made." Rather than walking over to the bulb in need of changing and simply swapping it out with their hands, the video shows a bulb attached to a drone that is filmed flying in the direction of the socket. However, it wasn't as simple as slotting prongs of light bulb into some awaiting holes. This was a bulb that had to be screwed into place. Taking into account the fact the change would require both precise alignment and rotation, the creator, who goes by Insta360 on Instagram, saw an opportunity to add some drama to the scene by backing it with audio borrowed from Interstellar. Fans of the film will no doubt immediately know which scene was used for the video, one which sees Matthew McConaughey's character directing his ship to dock with another craft that is spinning out of control. In the film, the crew can be heard narrating the alignment and rotation of the ship required in order to make the connection. Though they're dealing with a much bigger issue than the changing of a light bulb, the narrative works perfectly when it comes to the footage of the drone approaching the socket.
Endurance rotation is 68 RPM.
Okay, get ready to match our spin with the retro thrusters.
It's not possible.
No, it's necessary. Ace, you ready?
Ready. Cooper, this is no time for caution.
Stars, you ready to engage the docking mechanism?
I need 3 degrees starboard, Cooper. Cooper, we are lined up.
Initiating spin. Come on, Tars.
Thankfully, both McConaughey and the person controlling the drone proved successful in their efforts, with both the ship and the light bulb ultimately left secure. The inclusion of the audio from the film makes for possibly the most dramatic example of a light bulb being changed this world has ever seen, and fans were quick to make the creators know it, with one writing, "I was emotionally involved in this." Another commented, "A cinematic masterpiece. Obviously I don't want to say that footage of a light bulb being changed was more intense than a scene from a Hollywood movie, but if Christopher Nolan needs any help on his next film, I'd say he knows where to look."